Hello, my name's Bill Mahoney. I'm CEO of ASM International. ASM International is the world's largest professional association for materials scientists, engineers, and technicians, with over 25,000 individual members representing over 7,000 organizations, including industry, academia, and government. ASM connects materials professionals to the resources necessary to solve problems, improve outcomes, and advance society. We accomplish these outcomes by providing access to trusted materials information through reference content, digital data, education courses, international events, and applied research. We're excited to bring our network of experts and resources to the Mexico workforce, which has been consistently growing due to the strengthening of in-country manufacturing capabilities. Like you, ASM has seen an amazing transformation in the complexity of the jobs being done and level of skills being demonstrated in Mexico. The progression began in automotive assembly with imported parts. Over the years, countries with an interest in the market started small manufacturing operations to bridge gaps or provide just-in-time supplies to assembly plants. Seats and headliners started being locally produced, followed by heavy components like truck frames and axle assemblies. The need for heat treatment know-how came with the metals manufacturing processes. Today, most any structural, drivetrain, or interior components found in an automobile are being produced in Mexico. Aerospace in Mexico over the last 10 years has followed a similar trajectory to that of the automotive industry. With more than 88 professional chapters worldwide, ASM offers one of the most extensive networking opportunities available among technical societies. As extensions of the society to the local community, ASM chapters provide the focal point for professional networking and individual development. In 2016, based on in-country demand for enhanced materials training and professional resources, a local network of materials professionals took the lead to start the ASM Mexico chapter. This chapter has been active in providing training and networking opportunities locally and has been instrumental in sharing the materials interests of its membership within the greater ASM community. These interests have indicated demand for additional educational opportunities and a desire to network globally. As an answer to this demand, the ASM Heat Treating Society has organized its third Heat Treat Mexico conference and exhibit scheduled for March 3rd through 5th, 2020. Heat Treat Mexico is unique because it is the only conference that provides the opportunity for companies to send employees to receive education, training, and certification from experts in the industry, while being backed by the accreditation of ASM International and its ASM Heat Treating Society. The conference will include training on two very important heat treating processes, induction heating and carburizing, which are both now in widespread use in Mexico. In addition, there will be an emphasis on quality systems, centering on CQI 9 for automotive and NADCAP for aerospace. ASM is filling a valuable role this year by offering DC3, government-acknowledged accreditation, for subjects covered in this conference. The exhibit portion of Heat Treat Mexico allows companies in-country to find solutions to real-world challenges affecting manufacturing, especially in the aerospace and automotive markets. On behalf of ASM International, the ASM Heat Treating Society, and the ASM Mexico chapter, I invite you to join us for this special training opportunity coming up next month. Our Heat Treat Mexico 2020 Organizing Committee and the local chapter officers have worked hard to put together the most relevant programming and training to advance the materials knowledge base within the Mexico workforce. Thank you.